Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. AliExpress is back with one of the biggest sales of the year, Mega Choice Day 2025. If you love finding amazing gadgets, home tools, and trending products at unbeatable prices, this event is just for you. In today's video, I've rounded up some of the hottest picks from Mega Choice Day, products that are not only top-rated but also come with massive discounts and exclusive coupons. So don't miss out. Grab your favorite items before the deals.